Selam dostlar, ne haller? More and more people who learn Tatar through my videos have been asking me to make more lessons with everyday vocabulary. You asked, and I'm doing. Today, let's learn a few phrases that we use in the kitchen. Başladık. Let's start. Oşarga pişirirge. To cook food. Min oşarga pişirem. Min oşarga pişirem. Yummy. Su kaynatırga or çay kaynatırga. To boil tea or to boil water. Min çay kaynatam. Min çay kaynatam. I'm boiling tea. Tabın ezirlerge. To set up a table. Min tabın ezirlim. Min tabın ezirlim. I'm setting up the table. Çay yasarga. To make some tea. Min çay yasim. I'm making some tea. Min çay yasim. Ризок жылытырга. To heat up food. Ризок жылытырга. Min ризок жылытам. Min ризок жылытам. Ризок ашарга. To eat food. Min ризок ашим. So good. Min ризок ашим. Çay içirge. To drink tea. Min çay içem. With some candy. Min çay içem. Soğut soba yoğurga. To wash dishes. Min soğut soba yuam. Min soğut soba yuam. Istel jiştirirga. To clean off the table. Min istel jiştiram. That's it for today. If you would like to learn how to use these phrases in the second or third person variations, please find a link to a free PDF in the description below so that you can advance your Tatar even further. Also, please make sure to leave in the comments below what kind of other Tatar vocabulary you would like to learn, and I'll make sure to include those topics in my future videos. Thank you for watching this video until the very end. Görüşken çok kadar. Hoşçakalın.